Hey besties, today I'm going to show you guys how to use my Sublimation HTV, Crafting Besties Sasha, so make sure you tune in, you guys. So once you have your Crafting Besties Sasha Sublimation HTV, we can begin. Once you take your Sublimation HTV out of the box, Crafting Besties Sasha, we're going to go ahead on and load it onto our Cricut mat. Now, when y'all taking this Sublimation HTV out the pack, this tape is like extra strong. I was struggling trying to get that tape up off of here. But anyway, I finally got it. And I just took my Sublimation HTV, that part that had the tape on it, and just laid it directly onto my mat. So you want to do the doll side down, the shiny side up. I'm gonna repeat: the doll side down, the shiny side up. And once you're done putting it on the mat, just roll it back up and put it in a box so you can repeat that same step for next time. So I uploaded my image into Cricut Design Space, and I uploaded it as a complex image. What this does is allow me to, take all of the background and the middle part, all the stuff that I need to be cut. So I started at the top, and then I went in between and got these little white spots, boom, boom, because I want the Cricut machine to know I wanted to cut that part out. So now I have the silhouette of it, and I have the print and cut. So I'm going to use both of these for this video, you guys, because with the HTV, we need the full shadow, and with the print and cut, we need just the print and then we're going to cut it. So I have it loaded in. I'm going to go ahead on and start with just the cut first, right? So I'm going to change this to 8.5 by 11 and let Cricut do its thing. We just going to cut, baby, because, Cricut be tripping sometimes. So I had to go ahead on and make sure that it was right for this video. But it did what it needed to do. Thank you, Cricut. Shout out to Cricut, y'all. Make sure y'all update y'all Cricuts daily. Okay, so we have our Cricut cutting. We're going to go ahead on and remove the excess HTV, put it to the side. And now we have our first part of the design that we're needing. So then we're going to go ahead on in and get our print. We're going to print this with Crafting Besties Sasha sublimation paper. Make sure you mirror, y'all. Mirror is important. So now that we have our sublimation paper, I'm going to put it on a light grip mat, y'all. Make sure you use the light grip because that strong grip will hold your paper to the mat. So I have my sublimation paper on the mat. Cricut is currently cutting it right now. Now that it is complete, I'm going to go ahead on and pull it off this light grip mat. I keep saying light grip because y'all don't want y'all paper stuck to this mat. So I pulled it off. Boom, I have it. Now we're going to go ahead on and put our HTV on our 100% cotton shirt. We're going to press this at 350 for 15 seconds, you guys. Now that I have it heated on there for 15 seconds, peel the shiny side off, y'all. So we peeling that off. Now we're going to put our sublimation paper on top, Crafting Besties Sasha, and we're just going to add a few pieces of tape so that don't move or slide because we want this to line up perfectly. Now that we have it lined up perfectly, we're going to go ahead on and press this. We're going to do 350 again for 15 to 20 seconds. I'm going to go ahead on and put that bushel paper over it just to make sure we don't have no ink or nothing from old projects on our mat. Now I'm going to take this off. Remember, this is a 100% cotton shirt. And we're going to remove the sublimation. Oh, get into it. It's the ink release for me, baby. Look, check that out. Y'all better get into them colors. It looks so good. I wish y'all could see this in person. After you wash it, still fire. Make sure you join the Hive.